everybody, it's me, Helene here, Cabin Fever Crochet, and guess what? This is my birthday month, the month of August. I'm going to do another giveaway and start it now and let it run for the entire rest of the month. So as you can see, I'm here at the lake. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It's one of the busiest days I've ever seen, and it's evening now. And there are a few people over here barbecuing and some listening to music way on the other side, but pretty much everyone has already gone back to their cabins and their motorhomes and everything. So just little old me sitting out here getting ready to pack in and go back in a few, but I wanted to say hello, and I'm so excited to bring this to you. I got in the water, I swam today, and my eye's itching from getting a little in my eye, but it's okay. It's cold, but it feels really good and refreshing. Takes a little bit warming up to it, but felt great, and I still have my beach towel on. But I spared you the rest and put on a t-shirt. So first of all, let's get the business of order out of the way. So to enter my giveaway, you need to be a subscriber, leave a comment, and this is going to be a specific comment. Going to have a little fun this time, play a little game. So I hope you're ready to go on a little scavenger hunt of sorts for the giveaway. And you don't have to think too much about it. You're not going to be graded, so don't worry about that. You don't even have to get it right. But you have to answer the question. So the comment, subscribe, give me a like, thumbs up, and watch my entire video because I'm going to give you a couple little hints along the way. So those are my particular rules, I guess you could say. And then the official rules are you need to be 18 years of age or older, and it needs to be okay to receive giveaway packages in your country, and also receive mail from the United States. And this giveaway is void where prohibited by law, so you have to make sure that your country allows you to receive giveaways. I think Puerto Rico is one that is void, and you'll just have to check into that and know that yourself. And also I'm going to list the official rules in the description section, and I'm going to pin it at the top in the comment section too, so you make sure you read those and agree to that. So if I wind up stumbling over my words or my eyes are half masked, that's because I'm really relaxed right now. I'm feeling pretty good, nice and limber. I feel good. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Hey! Okay, so for the giveaway goodies, all right, so remember, class is in session now, everybody. Pay attention. Gotta work for your supper on this one. Okay, so I've just picked up a few little things, and it's actually color coordinated and themed. And I'm working on another project. I have been working on a couple weeks as we speak. I hope to have that up by the end of this month. And it's something that this particular yarn I think would be absolutely lovely for, but it's something that can also transition into fall. Dare I even say that word? No. I love summer. It's my favorite season. I enjoy all the seasons, even winter, about this much. Okay, so for the yarn, are you familiar with this yarn? Premier DK Colors, and I hope I'm close enough that you can see this colorway is called Cool Breeze. So lovely. It has an aqua that just has the hintest of green to it. It transitions into like a periwinkle, sort of sky blue, lavender, white, lime green, and then back into aqua, and then again the periwinkle. So pretty. I don't know if you've worked with this yarn. It is so soft. It has incredible drape, a nice hand. It's 100% acrylic, and it's an anti-pill fiber. It's a number 3 weight, and you get 5 ounces, 383 yards per cake, 140 grams, and you will get two twins, sorta, not really, almost. I mean, they go together, but they're not the same from the center out. So you get 2 cakes, plenty to make a nice size shawl or a scarf or a wrap / scarf. Okay, so that's that. And now, let's see, the thing that you have to comment on is get to guess my age. That's right. I'm curious because I get it all over the map. I don't know. Some people think I'm a lot older than I am, and some think I'm younger. I don't know. I don't feel any different. I don't even really count the numbers or give it that much thought. Just, day by day, I feel how I feel and enjoy life, and want to live it to its fullest. And some days are better than others, and have to roll with it. So, how old do you think or young? What do you think my age is? I don't even like to say how old, but I'm just curious. Don't worry, just put it out there. I'm not going to take offense, believe me. And so I'm going to give you a couple of hints in the video as to what it is. But again, you don't have to get it right. I think I could just lay down here and take a nap. Okay. So the next is a hook, just in case you don't have the appropriate hook size. This is the Hobby Lobby, the one in my last giveaway, their new Yarnology, pretty turquoise color. See, kind of theme color going here. I love aqua, turquoise. I just love color. So this is a 4.0 millimeter G hook. Has an ergonomic type of shape. It has these little ribbed indentation here for your thumb, and also a little bit of ribbing along each sides to help grip. Nice pointy tip, not too rounded, not too pointy. And seems to glide pretty well. And I do believe, yes, this hook, that's what the yarn calls for. So you get 2 cakes, 1 hook. And these are so cute. Oh my, somebody not happy? Well, we'll just keep moving along, huh? Alright, the Yarnology magnetic bookmarks. I got more of these, and they're a little bit different. So you get 4, and they're magnetized, so you just put it over your page. Patterns, a stitch book, or just a reading book, whatever you like. And so you just place it over, just like it shows here, one side over one, the other. And we have an alpaca with carrying a little basket, a basket full of yarn, and a ball of yarn. It says, "Hello, love." And an alpaca wearing a scarf. It says "Fiber Fanatic." And this one, the last one, I think is so cute. It says "Rise and Skein" with a ball of yarn at the bottom. That looks like a sun rising over on the horizon. Rise and Skein. Not cute. My goodness, they are an active group, aren't they? Wow. Oh, there is something else in here. Forgot about that. So you could actually use these bookmarks for this. Oh, so gross. Hi. Okay, that was an interrupt. This couple kids walked right in front of the camera. Almost tripped over my cord. Okay. So you could use the bookmarks with this little journal. It says "My Bliss Journal." And yeah, your yarn bliss, right? So they're just blank pages in this lovely aqua color. So you'll get that. The magnets, what are we up to now? 2 cakes, a hook, and slippery. Oh, my keys, that's not it. Can't have those either. Okay. Mine. And this handy measuring tape. I think it's always handy to have a handy measuring tape. I leave one in the glove compartment of my car because you never know when you need to measure something. So we have the theme colors, right? The lavender goes with the lavender. Of course, the book, the hook, and these go with anything. And this is both in standard and metric. So if you're watching a tutorial and it's in US terms, and this might help you do the conversion, or vice versa, if you're in the US and you're watching metric, there you go. My age is within the giveaway, okay? That's my age. It's within the giveaway right here. The giveaway goes through the 31st. It begins right now as soon as this is uploaded, and then it ends at midnight Pacific time on August 31st. Okay, so the other thing I was going to say is, oh yeah, when we get towards the end of the month and then I upload and probably recap and then do the winner, the recipient, then, and there will be one winner only, just so you know, okay, and I'm going to use a random comment picker so it's fair for everybody. And I might add one more item for good measure. Okay, there's another hint for you. As far as the question and answer thing goes, don't stress about it. Don't hurt yourself thinking about it too much. I just wanted it to be a fun thing, you know, just something a little bit different. Gosh, I think the people over there finished eating. I thought maybe they would have brought me some leftovers by now. All right, my friends, thank you for joining me. I just love the sound of the waves, don't you? So relaxing. I sat there when I was drying off by the water, and I actually, with all this going on, I dozed off. So, yeah, so anyway, I just wanted to keep this relatively short as my videos go. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, take care, and I will see you again soon. Bye.